Welcome to NerdVision, the non-breaking production-safe debugger that can be used on all Java applications no matter where they are hosted. NerdVision will quickly get you to the root cause of your application issues, saving you time and frustration. We are going to show you how to get started with NerdVision and show you how to find an issue in your Java code. Our demonstration uses a test application written in Spring Boot, featuring a typical e-commerce shop. Start by creating a new directory for NerdVision. Then use wget to download the agent. We are running our application through Maven, however it is possible to configure NerdVision in any environment by specifying the Java agent parameter in the JVM arguments. With Maven we need to specify the Maven options that will be loaded by the Maven command. You can retrieve your API key from the registration page of NerdVision or through account.nerd.vision. Now we have configured the Maven runtime arguments, we can navigate to the application code directory and execute mvn Spring Boot run to start the application. Now we can create a new workspace in NerdVision. With a new workspace created, we can now choose the project from our linked source code repositories that we wish to begin working with. Now that NerdVision is connected successfully to both your local application and your source code, you are ready to begin debugging. Let's switch to the demo app we started earlier. First we will add some items to the cart. Then we will switch to the cart view. If we try and remove some items, we see that our application has some problems. It seems that when we have a quantity of greater than 2, items are no longer removed from the cart. We will use NerdVision to debug the issue and find out why. Firstly, let's switch back to NerdVision and add a breakpoint in our cart service implementation on the decrease quantity function. Now we can revisit our application and try the button again in order to capture the debug data. In NerdVision we can see that our breakpoint has fired. In our cart object it seems that the quantity has in fact decreased as we expected it to. Now if we compare the decrease quantity function with the increase quantity function above, you will see that we are missing a call to the cart repository to save the cart contents to the database. Adding this call to the repository would solve our issue. That's all it takes to get NerdVision up and running. NerdVision requires no code changes to install, update or remove breakpoints and is completely production safe. Thank you and good luck, from the NerdVision team.